Happy Monday evening, everybody. It is the night before the first day of the July 2024 California bar exam. Here are some tips. I'm going to keep it as light as possible, try and be somewhat motivational, and just get in your head for what to expect tomorrow and some tips that hopefully you can utilize. So tonight you want to get a good night's sleep. No shocker there, right? You want to try and eat healthy, eat clean, nothing too heavy. I would limit technology. I would not talk to other people about the exam too much. Really try and just let your mind rest. I definitely would not do any studying. Definitely no cramming. What you know at this point is what you know, and you have to trust that your training and your preparation led you to this point, and you're going to go in and maximize your points to the extent that you can. Now, tomorrow, you really want to watch your timing. So on all 5 essays, you want to issue spot within 7 to 10 minutes, and then ideally 7 to 10 minutes. Take it call of question by call of question. And if there's something that you do not know, picture yourself as the attorney on that case. If I had these set of facts in my office and I know the area of law that I'm in or the areas of law, what would be my causes of action? What would I file a complaint on? Or is this a procedural question, civil or criminal procedure? Where is the question getting to? Is an evidentiary question. So you should know by, of course, the practice that you've done and the framework within the call of question. You limit yourself to 7 to 10 minutes of issue spotting, and then you divide the amount of issues that you have into the remaining, ideally 50 minutes, 50 minutes. And you have to be really disciplined. So if, let's say, you have 3 minutes per IRAC, by the end of the 3rd minute, you're watching the clock and you say to yourself, Shauna, like if I was taking the test again, you got to wrap this up. Even though you may have more analysis to give, maybe you really know that issue well, it does not matter. You only get points for finishing the exam to the best of your ability. Remember, the standard is entry-level competent attorney. So they are looking and testing you on your ability to really have a good scope of issue spotting. Now, if you get stuck, like I said, try and picture yourself as the attorney on that case and do your best to really visualize what the causes of action and defenses would be. Make sure to always anticipate your defenses or the other side's defenses as well, even if it doesn't ask it within the gamut of the call of question. And you should expect for something to make you a little bit uncomfortable. It is impossible to go in perfect. You're not going to know everything. There's a lot of points to gain and a lot of points to lose. And over the years, applicants of mine have told me, Shauna, I hear you in my head saying, don't stop, don't give up, keep going, keep pushing. And that's really humbling for me that happens, but it means that the teaching works because you really cannot stop. If something deters you, you shake it off, you get refocused, and then you keep going. It's like that Pac-Man game where you're just like eating up all the points, and then sometimes you lose, but you get back on track and you keep going to accumulate the points that you need to pass each section. And you can mess up on a few essays. What's really going to be crucial tomorrow is at the end of the day, your performance test. So during lunch, you want to regroup. You can spend a little bit of time reviewing outlines, especially if PR does not come up in the morning. So you can review professional responsibility as a brief 15-minute refresher during lunch, and then really mentally start getting ready for the performance test, of course, the other 2 essays. But that PT is worth so many points, and you really want to give it your all, your heart and soul, to make sure that your structure is correct, your tone is correct, and that you are following the task exactly at how they ask it. So don't do your own thing, don't make up your own structure, follow exactly what they're giving you, and of course the default is always IRAC. And yeah, the PT really got to push it because it's worth so many points. Please get a good night's sleep. No alcohol tonight. Nothing that's going to make you feel groggy tomorrow. So I wouldn't overdo it with any type of like sleep aid or melatonin. You really want to go in well hydrated, not too much caffeine. And yeah, just do your best, question by question, and then the performance test. And no, do not go ahead. Make sure you do one in sequence. That is my methodology, in order, and don't jump ahead because it'll just kind of mess up your mentality. I hope that helps. If anyone needs any help tonight, feel free to DM me. Have a beautiful night. Good luck, especially to all my applicants. I'm rooting for you so hard. And be well, everybody. Good luck. Go get them.